The course was amazing. It was more than I could have expected. We learned so much, you know, we spent from 9 in the morning till 10 at night learning. All bad habits that I'd learned before, I've got them all knocked out of me. It's been an amazing experience. All the instructors have been amazing. Everyone's been amazing. I felt at home. It's been incredible. I love it.
What do you think about the Steadicam accent workshops?
Yes, I recommend for the people who have also expression.
They're great instructors, great, you know.
Great operators and really nice people. I love you.
They show me everything about Steadicam. I know how I doing wrong and how something I do the good.
I'm thinking that is a good starting point to start the progress exercise the first time with the Steadicam. So for a beginner like me, and also for professionals, but especially for me, it was a really beautiful starting point, yeah.
I 100% recommend this course to anyone.
I had recommended already to my Steadicam friends and also to some friends that I have no experience, but they want to join the Steadicam world.
No, they're great. I'd recommend them to anyone, you know, who wants to do Steadicam or improve their camera work. Yeah.
If you've got hang-ups about how much it costs, I had that as well. But coming here, I learned so much. The instructors have been amazing. You start from 9 o'clock in the morning till 10 at night. You do sessions in the morning, you do sessions in the afternoon, and then in the evening you do 2 hours of lectures. And I've learned so much there. I've done a crash course in a week, which would have taken me months in the real world to learn. So it's been amazing. Thank you so much.